Now, if you see here under any stock, okay, under any stock, there are three circles. Okay, what does those three circles say? Those three circles are referring to the time frame. So if there is, for example, Asian Paint is showing three circles. So what does that mean? It means that across daily, across weekly, across monthly, the stock is above the CPR and it is in a positive mode across all the three time frames. So it gives you great confidence. Okay, it gives you great confidence when you are participating, right? It gives you great confidence when you are participating in that stock because you know that it is bullish across time frame. In the same way, on the bearish side, if you see here, MCX is having two dots green, so it is definitely a bearish move. So you know that yes, it is bearish on daily and weekly. So you have to be a little careful now, right? Considering that this is the situation. So yes, it is a good candidate on the short side. So that is the idea. You can do a time frame analysis, right? You can see here that even without looking at the charts, lot of information is processed and given to you for your understanding.